In a surprising twist of space diplomacy, India and China, two countries that often see each other as rivals, might soon be teaming up with Russia for a groundbreaking project on the moon. So, what is this project and how will it benefit India? Let's find out. I'm Shivangi and you're watching India TV. According to a recent report from the Eurasian Times citing Russia's state news agency TASS, Rosatom, Russia's state nuclear energy corporation, is leading the charge to build a nuclear power plant on the moon. Rosatom's chief Alexei Likhashev revealed this exciting development at the Eastern Economic Forum in Vladivostok, Russia. He mentioned that China and India are very much interested in joining this project. The goal is to build a small nuclear power plant on the moon. This plant would generate up to half a megawatt of energy, enough to power a lunar base. But why nuclear power on moon is important? Well, nuclear power is crucial for sustaining future lunar bases as it provides a reliable and continuous energy source. Solar power, while popular, has limitations, particularly during the moon's long 14-day lunar nights when it is unavailable. Therefore, nuclear energy can overcome these challenges, making it a vital component for both manned as well as unmanned missions aiming to establish a long-term presence on the moon. Russia's space agency Roscosmos has already started working on this project, which could become a key part of their plans for the moon. It is being said that the construction of this lunar power plant will be complex and likely carried out autonomously, meaning robots and machines will do most of the work. Russia and China have also announced plans to build a joint lunar base called the International Lunar Research Station, which could be ready in phases between 2035 and 2045. For India, this lunar power project fits perfectly with its own plans. India aims to send astronauts to the moon by 2040 and establish a base there. India is also working closely with both the US and Russia in the same. So while it continues to collaborate with the US on the International Space Station, it is now exploring the possibility of partnering with China on this lunar project. So whether you call it lunar diplomacy or just space cooperation, this project shows how even rivals can work together to reach new frontiers. For more updates on the same, keep watching India TV.